All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. And we have some news on Junior Flemmings. Finally, people, some news on Junior Flemmings. And I definitely thought that this would have happened at some point in time. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. It is the Reggae Boyz transfer. A lot of transfers have been dropping JPL transfers from the start of the day, people. It is a busy day for me. And I never knew I'd be this busy, people. Honestly, I'm telling the truth. I've been dropping a lot of JPL transfers, a lot of Reggae Boy transfers as well. Now, apparently, Junior Flemmings is on a move to a League Two team. Let me pronounce the name because I actually get the name. It's Shamwa Nyokte. Yeah, I got the name correct. Shamwa Nyokte. Despite you'll see the spelling of the name, and it doesn't really sound because it's French, but it doesn't really sound like it. Anyway, let's get into the article, people. Before we do that, please do smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time. And let me give a shout out to our channel members: the Original Zilla, Jermaine Swaby, Paul Rose, David Beckham, Feather 5, and Black Icon 40. Massive respect, my friends. Massive respect. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Now here's the news, people. As you can see here, League 2 Junior Flemmings from Toulouse arrive in... Oh, let me change it to English. Oh, my word. Let me translate it to English, people. I got the name, but I didn't get anything else in French. I'm not bilingual. So from League 2 arrives on loan to Shamwa Nyokte. Let's move now. Let's read it. In the last hour of the winter transfer window, Shamwa Nyokte should, unless the situation turns around, register the arrival on loan. Why are you doing me this? Let me continue. People. Let me continue. Arrival on loan, Junior Flemmings, a Jamaican winger belonging to Toulouse League 1. Anxious to strengthen the offensive sector in great difficulty, apart from Bayal Bitoba, the champion New York should record on this evening of Tuesday, January 31st, the arrival on loan of Junior Flemmings from Toulouse League 1. As revealed by our colleagues from L'Equipe and also verified by our information, the 27-year-old Jamaican winger international more than 25 times has only appeared 3 times with Toulouse since joining the club in January 2022 and has spent most of his career in the USL Championship and North America Division. Let's have a look at Shamwa Nyokte. They're at the bottom of the table, people. I can see definitely they're sufficient. They're very much suffering from scoring goals. So adding the addition of Junior Flemmings is definitely going to be something that they will be looking forward to because they need goals. As you can see, they have only registered 4 wins so far this season, 5 draws and 12 losses. Only scoring 17 goals in 21 games. That's definitely not enough. They're at the bottom of the table. And if the relegation scrap is quite close, if they could bring in Junior Flemmings, and he should at least register some goals, if that should happen, for sure it would have been money well spent or a loan deal done in favor of both club and player, because Junior Flemmings at present moment need game time. He needs game time, people. He's in desperate need of game time. As I can say, just 25 minutes registered at Toulouse. That is not enough, people. That's 100% not enough. So Shamwa Nyokte is actually an option for him, and I'm hoping that this one materializes, and I'm really hoping that this makes sense to both club and player, to both of the clubs and player in this one, and I really hope he push through for this, because I've been advocating for him to move to a lower tier club. Well, not relegation scrap still, but a lower tier club where he can at least vie for some minutes, which is very important for any player. Makes no sense you're at a club and not using the big club element. I'm at a big club and you're not playing sufficient time. You're not getting sufficient game time. It makes no sense. It makes a lot more sense at a lower tier club and playing week in, week out. Why is that so? Why is that important? Solely because you now have the opportunity to showcase what you can do, and that is the only way Other teams will see you. That is the only way you can contribute to the team that you're at. That is the only way they'll see you as you're adding value to their club and want to keep you. If you're not adding value to their club and you're on a weekly wages, they will see you as a liability and will more likely want to move away from you. So this is a perfect opportunity for Junior Flemmings to step into the stepping back into those cleats and get on the pitch and start doing the work. Anyways, people, massive respect. This is one of the first YouTube update so far. Anyways, massive respect, people. Look out for more people. Hopefully your guys are doing good, and I'll see you guys next time. MG Sports TV, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. We are out. Boom. Out.